In this video, you will learn how you can overdraft on Cash App. First, Cash App Borrow, if it's available. Eligibility. Cash App offers a feature called Cash App Borrow for eligible users. This feature allows you to borrow money up to $200 to cover a transaction or overdraft. How to check if you're available. Go on Cash app, tap on the profile icon and scroll down to see if Cash App Borrow is listed. If it is, you can apply for it. Repayments. Cash App will deduct the borrowed amount from your next deposit, such as a direct deposit, or your Cash App balance. Cash card overdraft. Eligibility. Cash App may also allow overdrafts on your Cash App card if you meet the criteria and have an active Cash App account. How it works. If you're eligible, Cash App will cover the overdraft for small purchases up to a certain limit and charge you an overdraft fee when applicable. Check the overdraft availability. How to check. First, open Cash App and tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to the overdraft section to see if it's enabled on your account. Repayments. How is it repaid? Overdrafts will be funded through your next Cash App balance or direct deposit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.